told myself my bedtime is 10:30, so I'm going to turn off the lights and go to sleep. Okay, Google, turn off lights. Wow, it's really dark. Okay, Google, turn on lights. So this morning I really wanted to spend intentional time with God and reading the Bible and just reading more about how life is expected to be hard in this world. It's not a surprise. I'm sure many of us can relate to the fact that life is hard and things don't go the way we plan. And so how do we respond to that when things aren't going our way, when things are hard, when we're inconvenienced? What's our response? So reading the word and praying reminds me to center myself as to what's really important. If God is for us, who can be against us? He who did not spare his own son, but gave him up for us all, how will he not also, along with him, graciously give us all things? Who will bring any charge against those whom God has chosen? It is God who justifies. Who is he that he condemns? Christ Jesus, who died, more than that, who was raised to life, is at the right hand of God, and is also interceding for us. Who shall separate us from the love of Christ? A song that I love is Heaven Song by Phil Wickham. My friend calls it the dying song because it's about heaven, but the lyrics just really help us focus on what's important. As someone who does a bajillion things in one day, this part of the book really is speaking to me. I know what you're thinking. No one has a surplus of time. We are busier than ever. Fair enough, but what are we busy doing? Quite often, the answer is chasing pleasure. Whether that is, food, entertainment, a life of comfort. Many times that's why we're working so hard or aiming towards something, but that is not the most important thing. I was going to make breakfast, which was my pumpkin porridge, but I'm not feeling that hungry right now. And I also have a black sesame matcha from yesterday, so I'll just drink that and then eat this for lunch. And I also have some mangoes and kiwi. I try really hard to just listen to my body, so if I'm not feeling hungry, then I'm not going to eat. And the second I feel hungry, I will go ahead and grab something I've prepared. Okay, Google, what's the weather outside?
It's 56 degrees with fog. It'll be partly cloudy.
63? Yes, we are wearing this giant parka because I get cold very easily. And I also live in California where we're not used to weather that's below 60. All right, off to work. Just finished tutoring. Time for me to go home and do therapy. Okay, it's 4:55. My therapy starts at 5 o'clock. Oh, I realized I did not stretch this morning. So I'll stretch a little bit and then have therapy. Okay. Oh, this is what I look like at the end of the day. I know you're wondering, why is Maya wearing a mask inside her house? Well, my roommate is feeling a little sick, so we're not sure what's going on. We are both wearing masks in our house so that she doesn't end up getting me sick. Also don't know if it's the C word. So just being extra careful. Finally having my dinner and watching Run BTS.
맞아요. 아, 진짜? 아, 이게 찐 애청자인 거를 멋있네.
I'm going to pack for my morning workout. And I just put my change of clothes in my backpack. So then after my workout, if there's showers, then I'll shower there and then change. If there's no showers, then I have body wipes. Now I am just going to organize my phone notes, just delete anything I don't need anymore, and then chill for the rest of the night. Getting my life together really means recentering my life as to what is most important, and for me that's spending time with God, and also doing the things that I need to get done even if I don't feel like it. Most important thing, even if I don't feel like it, I do it anyway. I did not work out today, and that just shows you can still have a productive and successful day without working out. But I do feel like I have a lot more energy that I feel like I need to channel into a workout. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!